Welcome teachers. I'm going to show you that how you will conduct online test. Either it will be the question of match of the following or either it will be the question of multiple choice question or true false or any type of question how you will create in the Google or anywhere in a particular website so that a student can appear on that and you will able to see that particular result. When I was in NIT, that time I used to take the taste of a student from this particular website. The website name is testmos.com. Testmos.com. Simply in Google, you have to go and you have to type testmos.com and click on build a test. After clicking on that, you have to give the name of test that on which test or for which class you want to take the test. Suppose I want to take the test of class 9 computer application. Class 9 computer application. Okay. Use a password so that it will be good for you to check the result that how many student has submitted the test, how much marks they will get. So choose any password like and I am going to choose like 2222 4 times 2 4 times. Now create test. Now after creating the test, you will have a dashboard. In this dashboard, see class 9 computer application is there, and in dashboard some options are there. About that you have to understand one by one. So first adjust setting. In adjust setting, click first on adjust setting, and after clicking on that, you can do this in mobile phone also, no issue. Okay. Introduction, you can give the introduction of the particular test that attempt all question or any introduction you can give here attempts all. Okay, this I have given this one because I have to explain all these things. Okay, so attempt all questions. Now you can choose this frame on which frame your test will appear to the students. Suppose I am going to choose this one. Okay, this one, gray one. Now in down detect automatically. No, I will choose English here. Choose the language for the test one, so English. And now question setting, show all the test question on the one page or in other page. So suppose if you want to show all the question in single page, so show all test question on the one page or simply in another page. So I'm going to show the test in one page only. Okay, one page only or simply in one page. So I will click on this. Okay, now allow the student to jump around to different questions in the test. Yes, allow them, no issue. Now indicate if the student response was incorrect. Yes, indicate it. If you want, if you don't want, then it will not show that. Okay, and display the correct answer also. Then what will be the correct answer? So also it can be displayed through that. So like setting, we can change it. Now randomize the order of the question during the test. Yes, suppose I have choose the first, so the first question is coming in last, and the last question the other student having the as a first question. So randomize the order of the question. So it will be the best option. We should do this. I'm using that randomize the order of question. Now conclusion. Conclusion after the text or the text display after the test is submitted. So just I want to use thank you. Thank you. Now anyone can who can take your test. Who can take your toast? So anyone who entered a passcode. So I will keep a passcode, like I will keep a passcode 111, and I will share with this a student. This passcode I will share with the student, okay, and the student can uh, enter to my test and they can appear on that. Time also you can set here, like suppose I have given 10-minute time. You, according to you, you can give the time of for your question also. And how many times can someone take your test? So only one. Once the student will open this test, now second time they cannot open this. So only one time. I will show you how it will work. So, okay. Now enter your name at the time of writing the answer. Enter your name, class, and section so that you can easily identify them. Okay. So enter name, class, and section. Now these features are not working here because these features are extra features on this particular website, which we can get only when we will paid for it. Like suppose if you click on this, now click this, see you will get like 50 per year you have to pay for the membership when you will get this account. So no need of that, no need of that. Without that also we can create the test. Now move to the next page, and on the question, move to question. So after saving it, move to the question. Setting updated. Now insert the question. So which type of question you want? Suppose multiple choice question, multiple choice, choose many, or for choosing one answer to choosing many answers, or true false, matching, fill in the blanks, essay. So this first I'm going to create the uh, true false, true false. So what I will do, this it is a question, and I will write here name of Java compiler is Java C. So it will be true, okay, it will be true. But if the student will put false, then what it will be happen, and like that only. So first question, true false. Now second question I want to create uh, multiple choice, multiple choice question. I will enter here, I will enter the question like object oriented programming. It's short form. What is the short form of this? Okay. So first I will write here OOP. Second I will write here any question you can. Just I'm giving you demo. That's why OOPS. O P O S Java OOP. Any options I have given here, but the correct one is this only. Okay. Now third question I'm going to create, which will be based on the essay. Essay means one question will be there, on that you have to write, about that you have to write. Like question is what is Java plain. Okay. So there this will appear in the screen of the student. They will write on that. Now I allocate the marks for this. Suppose I allocated 1 marks, 1 marks, and for this I'm going to allocate 3 marks. Total 5 marks. Now save it. More question also you can add, different type of question, like matching question also. It's very easy only. Okay, for matching what you have to do, see, simply you have to change, like in the place of cat you have to write to another thing, and here you have to write the other option. But I'm not going to take that, so just I will delete this. Now Save it. After saving, move to the publish one. Now, before publishing, I want to review my test. So preview your test, how it will come. It will come like this. The student will get like this. So preview. The student will get the question like this. Continue. Attempt all question. Continue. Class 9 computer application. See. 1 point. Object oriented programming short form. So if the student will write this and they will submit, then the correct answer will be shown like that only. So submit. It will show here only. See, incorrect. But now if the student will again want to change it, so it is not possible to change it. Once if they will click, it means that is the final only. After submitting, they cannot change the answer. Okay. Now continue. After continue, what is Java? Explain. So first I will write about the student will write about the Java, that Java is a programming language, and whatever they will write, all the things is possible here. They can write here. The time is also showing here. See, time remaining 8 minutes 54 seconds here. So on that period of time they have to write here. Okay, time remaining 8 minutes 40, because 10 minutes we have given the time period for that particular test. So time is also showing here only. Now submit. After submitting, we'll move to the next question. Okay, continue. It's awaiting for a score. When I will give there, then the score will reach here. Okay. Now, the name Java compiler is Java C. The name Java compiler is Java. Oh, sorry, I wrote the wrong answer question. The name of Java compiler of will be the name of Java compiler is Java C. So it is true. Submit. See, it will be true. The answer will be like this. Yes, correct. If I will write false, then it will. Now we cannot change this, because once it will submit it means it's final only. So all type of question we can insert here. Okay, and it's a very good site according to me. So you can choose it and you can go for this, and this is most it is free of cost, and the student will see this their performance like this only. Class 9 computer will thank you for appearing in this test, and everything is here now. Okay, duration within 2 minutes they have submitted the test. Now I'm going to close this, and now I'm going to publish it. Okay, so before publishing I have already checked all are fine only. Now I'm going to publish it. Click on publish. After publishing, this one is the link for the test. Just you copy this link.